In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Salesforce Lightning. This is a great way to streamline your communication efforts, allowing you to efficiently send out emails with consistency and professionalism. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll need to start on the Salesforce homepage. Familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already, as this is your main hub for navigation. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the left side of the screen and click on the Contacts tab. This section contains all your saved contacts, which are essential for creating and managing your communications. Now, choose a contact from the list presented to you. Selecting the right contact is crucial as this is to whom your email will be directed. With your contact picked, go ahead and click on it to open the detail view. This gives you access to all the specific information related to that contact. In the contacts detail view, locate the email icon, usually found towards the top of the page. Clicking on this icon will transition you to the email composition screen. Here you can enter the email address if it's not already autofilled and begin typing your subject line. The subject should accurately represent the content of your email to capture the attention of the recipient effectively. As you craft your message, remember that you can enhance your email by attaching a file. This feature is particularly useful if you need to provide additional documentation, images, or any attachments that complement the information in your email. Once your email is ready and you're satisfied with its contents, look for the option to Save as New Template. This is key to creating an email template. It allows you to save your email layout and content for future use, ensuring consistency across all similar communications. After you choose to save your draft as a template, it's time to give your new template a name. This name should be descriptive enough for you to easily identify it later among potentially many templates. Additionally, you'll want to add a brief description to further remind yourself or inform others about the template's purpose. This step is often overlooked but can alleviate confusion down the line when you're managing multiple templates. Next, select the appropriate folder to store your template. Folders help in organizing your templates systematically, so they are easier to locate and manage. Finally, with everything in place, click on Save. This confirms all your efforts and stores your new template for effortless use in the future. And that's it. You've successfully created an email template in Salesforce Lightning. This tool will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and ensure that your communications are both efficient and professionally consistent. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.